Hi students, I wanted to review what we have remaining in the semester. So you should have completed your 14-day challenge yesterday. If you haven't, go ahead and finish it today. You do need to complete the evaluation. This will have you look at your progress and reflect on the process of the project and be the final evaluation of your work. On Thursday you have a quiz for Chapter 15 and you have a Covered California Health Consumerism assignment. There is a video within that module that will show you how to complete the health insurance portion of the assignment. Next week we have an authority, bias, and currency assignment. This is actually your review of health information. So this is your final assignment. It's a 3-part discussion posting, and you will have the components due. Your responses are due on the 13th, and then I will give you a peer review person on the 14th, and that will be due on the day of the final. You have a quiz for Chapter 16 and Chapter 17, or actually modules 16 and 17. There is no assignment because you'll be doing your critical review of health information, and then your final will be available on the 15th and the 16th. Please let me know if you have any questions.